It's been a few weeks since I've got this extension added to our lathe setup. I was able to get our other extension piece for this Rikon lathe, even though it actually doesn't match up with this lathe. Check this out. It's a little bit wider right here on the metal, but we don't lose any functionality. Still works. We added roughly about 24 inches, so a good 2 feet out this way. With this 24-inch extension, brings our whole entire lathe setup to about 68 inches, which is nice. Of course, we've got the small extension off on the left for larger, taller bowls that we can't start up here. I've had this extension set up before when we used to have our lathe over on a workbench over here. Never really turned anything that needs this kind of length. I do have some logs that have been curing over a year. That'll probably be the first thing I do that actually takes advantage of this full extra 24 inches we have. It is real nice to be able to push the tailstock out of the way. With it being way over here, I can actually work on this piece and get full functionality around the bowl that I'm working on. Don't even have to take the tailstock off of the lathe. Of course, I have our lathe tool holder here. It's been working great. I've started working on a new bowl, first bowl back. So I've actually been using this in tandem along with working on this new bowl. I decided to put this together right before I went in the hospital for some treatment. So it's been together now for a couple months. Wasn't very hard to put together, as you could see from the previous video. Hardest part was, without taking off the old lathe, which I could have, was just supporting all the other brackets while I exchanged the feet. The foot that comes with the lathe extension is the one that actually goes in the middle. And then you got to slide that one that came with the original lathe stand over to the right and put it out here on the end. But yeah, all in all, I think this is a great addition to our shop. It's definitely brought everything together more for me, along with everything behind. Starting to feel a little bit more polished in here. Still got to work on something for the floor, but I think this is a great addition to get this back out and not just sitting underneath my workbench. So if you guys have a Rikon lathe, I would highly suggest the stand. I mean, I haven't had anything wrong with it, and it's got enough weight, doesn't really move around much on me. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.